Hello friends, and welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're going to make a tuna bagel melt. So everything you see on my counter is what we're going to be using, with the exception of the fact I have a cut up green onion here, which you can substitute celery or something else, even carrot if you wanted in this recipe, just to give it a little bit of crunch. So we're going to start off with our bagel, which we're going to cut in half, and we're going to put it under the broiler in our oven for about 2 minutes or so to make sure it's browned. And when it comes back, it'll look something like this. Now, once we get this back, we're going to want to set this to the side because we're going to mix up our tuna next, and this can just be to the side waiting for the tuna to come to it. So we're going to start out with a regular can of tuna, which is like 5 ounces, and to this we're going to add about 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper and then 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Now I am using a chopped up green onion. If you prefer a regular onion, you can use that. You don't need much. This is kind of your choice how much you want to put in there. And then we're going to add in about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard and then 1.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And once we get this in, we're going to mix this completely because we want to mix everything through to make sure the mayonnaise, the mustard, and salt and pepper all go through all of the tuna. So if you have really huge hunks of tuna, break them up a bit as you're doing this. We want to make sure everything gets really incorporated. And make sure you stir this and get to the bottom of your bowl and on the sides. We make sure everything gets into here. Now, once we have this done, we're going to go back to the bagel pieces that we had waiting, and we're going to put this tuna on top. Now, we're going to split all the tuna between the two. So what you're going to basically do is put some on one, then go put it on the other and see how much you have left over and try to even them out a bit. This is a really great lunch because this is something that is really going to put something in your stomach. It'll fill you up really quickly, and it has such a great taste that it's easy to make, it's quick. You know, this is if you're on the run, you need something really fast. This isn't going to take long to do. And once we get all of the tuna out of our bowl, then we're going to sit these back on our pan and we're going to actually line the top with cheese. Now you got a choice. I'm going to use 2 pieces of mozzarella. You don't have to use that. You can use anything from provolone, American cheese, whatever it does that works for you. It's your choice. And once we get these on top, they're going to go back in the oven under the broiler for a few minutes until the cheese melts. And when it's done, it's going to look something like this. And as I said before, these taste really great, and it's amazing, quick, easy lunch. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you get a chance, check out my cookbooks, which are available in bookstores worldwide. The first is all about everyday cooking. The second is all about baking. Have a great day.